everyone, welcome back to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete your Instagram account. For that, you need to hop into Instagram application. Make sure to log in on your Instagram account, then tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner. After you reach on the profile feed, you need to tap on three-line icon on the upper right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy option. So on the top you can see the search bar, tap on it and you need to search deletion option here. Here you can see on the top deactivation or deletion option. Simply you need to tap on that option. And then on this page you need to select the account you want to delete. Now tap on Instagram account. Here you need to toggle on the delete account option and tap on continue button which is at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to choose the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. After you have selected the reason, you need to tap on continue button. So now tap on continue again after you have gone through this privacy on Instagram information. On this page you need to enter the password to continue. After you are done entering the password, tap on continue button. If you have forgotten your Instagram password, then you can tap on forget password link and reset from there. So when you tap on the forget password link, the mail will be sent to your email inbox. You need to check that. So you need to tap on reset password link. So on this page you need to create a new password. After you reset your password, you need to hop into the same page and enter your password and tap on continue. After that you can easily delete your Instagram account. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.